Hey, what's up, guys? Houston here. Like I said, I'm still out on vacation, so you can see what's going on. I just wanted to talk to you guys about your credit and some things that, like, almost 90% of people don't even know about their credit. People don't know that in reference to their credit, when it comes to their credit, like to avoid paying interest, people think that in order to avoid paying interest, they have to pay the full balance off. And that's not true. Okay? What you have to do in reference to avoid paying interest is say that you're using your credit card and you have a statement balance and then you have a current balance. If you pay that statement balance, all of your other transactions at that point, they're not accruing any interest. So it's the statement balance. Pay the statement balance first. Now, here's another thing about it. When you're trying to boost up your credit score, the best way to do that is look at your due date. All right. And usually with your due date, you can pay about 3 days ahead. I always tell people pay about anywhere from a week to 3 days ahead in reference to your due date. Now, in terms of helping your credit score jump, if you want your credit score to really get a good boost on it, then what you end up having to do, sorry guys, I'm trying to see if there was any wild animals down there, because this morning some rabbits had came up, so I was just wondering if there was some deer that came up too. All right. But that being said, in reference to like boosting up your credit score, the most, I would say, to have the biggest impact is not the 30%. It's always trying to get it paid under 9% if you can. All right. Now, here's another thing that a lot of people are not aware of. Like, you know how your credit card company, because you haven't used your credit card in a while, they close it down, or they'll just close down your credit card for no reason. Well, the thing that you can do about it is if they just close your credit card down for no reason, then and you want the account, then what you have to do, you have to write a letter to CFPB, okay, the Consumer Finance Protection Bureau. And so writing a letter to the CFPB, letting them know that they did not give you any warning that your account will be closed down, okay? And by them not giving you any warning, there was nothing that you did in order to harm your account. You always had a good payment history. Also, you have to let them know that by them closing down your account, in which it actually wouldn't, but just tell them that, hey, by them closing down my account, it's affecting my credit score, okay? Because with the history, like if you close down an account yourself, with the history of it, then your credit score drop. However, when a creditor actually closed down the account with the history on it, it won't affect your credit score, okay? So just keep that in mind. So that's a few of the things that you need to know in reference to your credit score. There's something else about your accounts as well when it comes to your credit and trying to fix your credit. What you need to do, and I continue to tell people this, is that your address is so important when it comes to trying to fix your credit. And the main culprit of a wrong address, not only with the major credit bureaus, but with LexisNexis. You definitely want to target LexisNexis when trying to fix your credit, okay? Because if you correct the addresses, the name and stuff with LexisNexis, then lock the file, then when you challenge things, negative things on your credit file with the credit bureau, now when they go to LexisNexis, that information isn't there anymore, okay? And so they can't verify because they will go to LexisNexis. So if you have any other questions about business credit funding, personal credit funding, click the link in the description. Schedule a one-on-one consultation. Thank you.